ang 8 Ortigas Art Festival 2025 na ginanap sa GH Mall sa San Juan City ay kasabay ng ika-74 na anibersaryo ng Ortigas Land Green Hills. Ang festival ay pinamagatang sining para sa lahat ay tatakbo mula sa Hunyo 10 hanggang 24, 2025 at magtatampok ng mga gallery at artists mula sa iba't ibang lokasyon. Binigyan din ni Mayor Francis Zamora ang kahalagahan ng festival na binabanggit ang pinagmulan nito sa Green Hills, San Juan City na may pinakamababang crime rate sa Metro Manila at ang unang drug-cleared local government unit sa Metro Manila.
On behalf of the City Government of San Juan, I would like to welcome you to the opening of the 8th Ortigas Art Festival, which is in conjunction with their 94th anniversary. And something I want to tell you, I am so proud of GH Mall. And I can say this because I have lived here all my life. All 47 years of my life, I have lived here in Piñas, and I'm just so happy with how the mall looks like now. And it's not just about shopping and dining, it's now about art. And this is something that really helps build communities. And I'm so happy that indeed the art festival is happening here now. But of course, everyone is welcome here to our city, and this will really bring a lot more people to GH Mall. I can feel it and I can see it. So I'm here to congratulate you and of course to welcome everyone to the city. I would like to share that San Juan has the lowest crime volume in Metro Manila, and we are also the first drug-cleared city in Metro Manila. So you are in a very, very safe place. And,
ang festival ay nakakuha ng award-winning na pagkilala sa pamamagitan ng ribbon cutting ceremony na pinangunahan ni Zamora, De Leon Rivera, Saginsin, Martinez Ortigas, Habulan at Mirasol. Ang Angono, ang art capital of the Philippines, ay nakalahok din kasama ang global fashion designer na sina Mayen, Mawalwal at Raul Poji Rocco Jr.
On behalf of our municipal government of Angono Rizal, pagbati na ang Mayor Jerry Calderon, and of course, pinaparating din po ang pagbati na aming Governor Nina Inares from our Rizal Provincial Government sa ating, of course, sa ating Green Hills Mall. Ang iba ay pinagmamalaki namin ang inyong talento at nagpapasalamat tayo lahat sa Ortigas Mall, especially sa Green Hills Mall, dahil tayo ay nabigyan ng pagkakataon na ipakita ang ating mga itinatagong talento. Ipinapakita na rito hindi lang dito sa mall na ito, kundi sa buong Pilipinas actually. Diba?